Check, check. Cool. Check, check, my check. What up, Ruby? Can you hear me? let's. Why is this not? There we go. Oh, okay, hold on. My mic stand is being weird. Hey yo, what's crack laughing? Long time no stream. Hell yeah. Okay. I think this actually better goes this way. Merging upcoming as is scheduled. Yeah, I saw you post that, and I think if you're going to track upcoming, that's exactly what you should do. But I definitely agree. If you track upcoming, you need to make a ritual around it, and just get in the habit of like constantly merging and staying up to date. Because if you don't, then you've just lost all the benefit, and you're just stuck in the same spot you would be if you were just merging master. There you go. Who doesn't love a good fucking calendar? Also, truly no rush to the complex quest stuff. Like, get to it when you get to it. And yeah, I mean, if you've got questions, like, happy to help. Yeah, sounds good to me. My next couple weeks are like kind of busy, but like if you just leave questions on the PR, I'll answer them as best I can. If I'm not answering for a while, it's because I want to give you like an intelligent answer, and I don't want to like just give you something half-assed. And if I don't respond for like 2 weeks, you can yell at me. But I don't think that'll happen. I think even with complex quests, I think I got back to you like within a week, right? Both times, I want to say. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, I hate when people leave me hanging like that, so I try really hard not to do it to other people. Okay. Okay, and then I want the sprite template. So we need to do sprite template. Okay, actually. And then I want... There's no way I'm doing this right, but I don't care. I just need the palette tag. Okay. I need the palette tag itself, and then I need the sprite itself. What a disaster. Okay. And then if I do... That's funny. Okay, fine. Multi-use sprite template now. Interesting. Okay. Okay, it's called template. I should have known that. So let's start there. How's progress with your game going? What are you currently aside from merging upcoming? Like, what's the thing you're cooking right now? Template palette tag. Okay. And then this, we just want to be... Oh no, this one we want to be the sprite itself. Unbound brain music activation. Hell yeah. I redesigned the EV system. Ooh, do tell. I'm going to ask a bunch of questions that sound like I'm attacking, and I'm not. I just love probing people's brains about when they make core changes like that. And I just like talking about game design, which is why I'm here. Holy shit, I got that off the first rip? Holy fuck. That's crazy. Basically, I've made it so you get EVs every level. Instead, it's gone through quite a bit. Oh, like a traditional RPG. Okay. What was the goal of this change? Actually, yeah, what was the goal of this change? And are the EVs fixed? Or how do you determine what type they're in? Or stat, sorry. Okay, please just work. Okay, that just works. And then if I... utilities... Okay. What's up, Musmero? I got the idea after Pisces has freely allocatable EVs, and with that, I thought there's got to be a better way to streamline it. I agree with that. And so your idea was just, I need to make this an easier system for users to engage with, or... In a way. Okay, okay. And so I assume yours are also freely allocatable then? And so I just get like 10 on level up and I can do whatever I want with them? Well, uh-oh. I'm getting hit with a well. Okay, Steven looks good. Nope, she does not look good. Okay, why does she look bad? Okay, so what is her palette tag then? Interesting. Okay, let's try this. Let's see if this is debug.f. Oh, the palette tag is none. I know why. Okay, hold on. That's because... let me see. Trainer, back sprite, okay. Yep, and then this is in... Why the back sprites are in Pokemon, I'll never fucking know, but I don't get paid enough to ask those questions. Fuck, it's tag none. Okay, what about Steven? Ah, it's all tag none. Shit. Okay. How do I get the ID from the sprite? Let's see. Alright, let's see. Okay, I have the trainer pick ID. Oh, wait. Is the palette tag the pick ID? Alright, let's just see what it is. Let's go from there. Because if it's not 0, then we are absolutely fucking cooking. Okay. Nope. Oh, duh. I gotta do the... AJS was crack-lacking. Long time no talk. Ruby is telling us the great next great American novel about EVs, and I'm excited to read it. Okay, let's print that palette tag and see what the fuck happens. I've conquered all my stuff in my university class so far. Congrats. So now you're on break, if memory serves? Like, you're done for a little while? Utilities, Stephen Multi. Essentially, yeah, fuck yeah. And so now the hack is in overdrive. Like, okay, we got nothing else to do, so working on this. Still didn't work. 26. What is 26? Okay, ARM and Intel i5 are both processors, so I definitely missed a joke. But I can't see who ARM is because I'm in streamer mode. but your avatar looks familiar. But hello. That's Zed. Oh, okay. What's up, Zed? Thank you. I'm just like, fuck, who are all these people? Like, I knew Ruby, but I talked to Ruby like yesterday. Alright, let's read the system. EV limits are changed. I kicked out the Divide 4. And oh, you did a whole fucking overhaul. Holy shit. Alright, hold on. Hold on. I gotta buckle up now. Alright. EV, hold on. Where should I pop this out? How do I... Alright. Hold on. I'm trying to be a good content creator. I'm trying to figure out how do I... Okay, I'm gonna pop it out. And we're gonna... So everybody can read it. Okay. EV limits to change. I kicked out the divided board divided limits. You have 128 EVs and 60 total in single stat. Okay, so every EV is 1 point in every stat, I think is what I'm hearing. Fine. Each level you gain 1 EV except at 10. Okay. You get bonuses at divisions of 10. That makes sense. When you catch about Pokemon, has just unallocated. Ah, okay. Did you change the Monstruct to hold unallocated EVs? Not yet, but that's your plan. Or is that how you're going to do it? Literally just finished the system. Wait, when you say finished, as in the design or the implementation? Ah, so it's entirely possible that parts of this will change as you try to build it. Okay, okay. When you catch a wild Pokemon, it has the equivalent number of EVs just allocated. Okay. EV trainers would have the same number of EVs as the player. That makes sense. Are you enforcing that at the game level, like at the Setmon day level? Or are you just going to make sure you hold to that when you build a team? You can reset EVs you can buy. Okay. You can assign ranked quick assign stats for EVs. I see. So I can tell the game, like, hey, when I level up, just put shit in speed until it overflows and then put it in unallocated. Okay, cool, cool. Probably a bit of both. Oh, got it. Okay, okay. This feels good. I get this system. Yeah, I have no major gripes here. Yeah, this seems kind of cool. I am excited to see how you implement all of this, because this looks like a non-zero amount of work, but I think it is a good, like, I think it maintains the flexibility of EVs in their intent to, like, train your Pokemon in certain ways, but I think it, like, helps, it cuts out grinding almost entirely, and like the divide by 4 thing, I agree, is just like needless nonsense, and the quick assign is also nice. Yeah, this seems cool. I'm excited to see it in practice. Thank you for sharing. I'm also excited to see, but I want to write more about plotline, thinking how much work it'll bring to me. Yeah, I get it. So, unrelated but very weird thing regarding the main series and based my hack on. Go on, and that's the HoloLive franchise. I know my old man is showing. Do you know? So you know Toho. I only know it when you talk about it. Like, everything I know about Toho is from you. And they do like bullet hell games, I think, right? I think that's like the extent. There's like waifu looking motherfuckers. Yeah, banger music and bullet hells. That's the extent of what I know. Shit. Why is it 26? What is... Oh, that's the... I see it. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Oh, it's a trainer pick ID. Okay, hold on. Okay, not event objects, but if we do... Aha! Shit. Is it 26 really? Okay, what could that 26 be then? Huh. Because that's Amy. Let's see. Palette tag. Okay. Oh, wait. Could it be? Oh, they're both 26? What the hell? That seems incorrect. Pokemon Bank goes hard. Pokemon Bank does go hard. 100% agree. There's something weird about the new entry in the series. Apparently, it can be confirmed that Gen AI has been used for some stuff in news game. Ah, my favorite. Taking work from artists. Yay. I assume the community is not pleased. They're very conflicted. That's surprising. Yeah, I'm surprised there's conflict. I feel like art adjacent communities are pretty like united in their hatred of this nonsense. But maybe I'm wrong. Side player. Generative AI does not have to be bad, but it is always used in a way that warrants hate. Yeah, that is correct. I agree 100%. The tool is not the well, ignoring training data. The tool is not the problem. It is the application of the tool that is the problem. But that is, you just have to like ignore the environmental implications and the training implications. Just like close your eyes. It's like, I don't think the main guy is fully aware of this taking my generative AI, but yeah. I find that so hard to believe, being on the internet in a space that is as terminally online as the people who consume Toho content. That I find that difficult to believe, that they were like, oops, I didn't know that people would be mad about this. Am I crazy? Okay, what else can I use to figure out what the fuck you're doing here? I have the palette number. What gets passed in here exactly? I got the battler. Oh, interesting. Okay, I see. So if I can get the battler, let's do that then. Hold on. Is it just 0? Okay, hold on. Duh. Okay, let's do this then. Battler. Okay. He was a Japanese guy. Doesn't seem to have given an official stance on AI before the newest game. I mean, maybe it's possible that it's not as vitriolic there as it is here, but you're still getting the squinty eye from me. The biggest squinty eye. Okay, let's try this again. And then Battler 0 and 2. Okay, so I'm always 0. So okay, so now another one, and this one is void set player backslide pick out Battler. It's been a bit over 2 weeks since I last PS5 jokes. Dude, it's been a minute since I streamed. Real life has just... Okay, I was going to stream the day after I last streamed. Like, I sat here for 8 hours and I worked. But I could not get the Natu model. Like, the phone I used to sync up just would not fucking work. I spent like an hour and a half on it. And then I was like, wait, I'm spending more time getting the VTuber rig to work than I am working on my fucking game. Forget it, I just won't stream today. And then I've been like crazy busy from that day till now. Or like I work on the game in like such short spurts that there isn't time to stream. Like I don't really stream unless I can do it for like 3 hours. So it's just been crazy. So I am sorry for being away for so long, but I'm glad to be back. And AGS, I also agree that generally the internet could be better about giving people the benefit of the doubt. So I will continue to get you. They'll get squinty eye from me, but also like, I think it's not you fucked up. It's okay, you fucked up. What are you doing about it? So when I talk to you next, I'm interested to hear. I'm interested to hear like how they fixed it. Right? Did they make it right? I remember the early days of the AI takeover, people made a point when pointing out to Japanese artists the more important talking point was about copyright, something the culture cared about more than the environment. Oh yeah, never had a way to go. Appreciate the kind words. It's a very bad summary of what I remember, but yeah, I also think that is I mean, look, I think that's like for any issue in the world, like unfortunately humans are selfish and to some extent, and I think you have to just frame it in ways they care about. And yes, the Japanese are very protective of copyright and copyright laws, so that I think that's a good angle. Let's see if it worked. Also, like, does he know who Miyazaki is? Like, the GOAT artist, like one of your country's greatest cultural exports, is like thinks this shit is an abomination. Like, I don't know, man. Benefit of the doubt. That's what we're doing here. We are being charitable, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so Battler and then the sprite itself. Structs. Oh, I just need the palette knob, actually. Right? I'll just pass in the sprite. I'm not even gonna bother. No. Nope. Okay, if is back crit for silicon player slide. Oh, wait, actually, hold on. Is battler player? That's gotta be a function. I'll look for that. Does anybody in the chat know the battle system very well at all? Or even sort of well? I don't know anything about it, but I know someone experienced would know the answer to this question. Upcoming merge gun complex quest time. Here we go. What's the question? Is there a function to figure out if the battler ID, like I have battler here, is there a function in expansion array to tell me if that's the player or not? And like, I know there's gotta be one, it's just a matter of where the fuck is it. And if there are several ones, I'll take any of them. I just need to pass in this number and the game to tell me, yeah, this is the fucking player. Or, nah, this is not the player. Determine the player battler by get battler's side. Isn't side the player side of the enemy side? Like, even in a multi-battle, I need to know that this is the player, not the partner. I know get battler side is for player side or not, but maybe I can use, maybe if I look for that function, its definition, I can find the, I'm sure they're like next to each other. Okay, it's an inline in battle H. Let's see, get battler side. Get battler position, that's what I want. Yeah. Wait, is that what I want? No, it's not. Is battler player? Wait, where is that? This one down here, I wrote this myself. This is me. This isn't a real function. Yeah. Don't look at that. Yeah, but that's what I literally want. Get battler at position. I'm also not sure what the difference is between position and battler. Like, I'm having trouble understanding when this would be desynced. Get partner battler, battle partner, get. Get opposing side battler, no. Yeah, none of these are quite it. G battler position. And then will this always... And I guess, yeah, if I use this, what am I looking for the output? The one that get battler's side returns? Get battler... Get battler position. Doesn't get side party... Oh, I see what you're saying. No, it just gives me G party or enemy party. Good try though. But I yeah. Let's see. Yeah, there's something. It's probably like get battler position and check for 0. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, let's try that. Okay. Okay, if get battler position is but isn't side here, actually hold on, let's just look at this. Hold on. E side opponent. And if I do this, battle opposite. Yeah, B position, player left. Okay, this is what I want, actually. I think that's... I just need to check for this. Alright, let me read this AI stuff. Hold on. From doing research, she apparently uses stock images already for stuff like backgrounds and stuff. Fine. And Adobe Firefly is apparently turned out a bunch of stock images, so I guess he found a shortcut. Ah, I see. Okay. Considering the some guys trying to replace stock images, he would usually AI images trade off of. This, it doesn't seem too harmful as his end. If look, if that is the what actually happened, then yeah, that's probably fine. But let's see if that's what happened. So like, I guess stock images is where it gets fuzzy. Like if he unintentionally used an AI image in place of stock, then I can't fight that too hard. Okay, there doesn't appear to be a function for what I want, but yeah, these are we just check the raw position every fucking time. But that's probably good enough. It's get battler position. Yeah, okay, fine. We'll just do that. Fine. There should be a function for that. That's kind of insane now that I think about it. Where is it? Uh-oh. Ah, here we go. 641. Okay, so if get battle position is that, then do this. Okay. And then okay, so we're gonna do this and then set player back, slide pick palette, battler, and oh, that's right. Okay. Hell yeah. Okay. I guess he doesn't want to need to go stretching fitting stock images from what I can tell. Oh, he's doubling down? Oh, well, okay, here we go. Is he doubling down is the question. Okay. Okay, and then if we compile, yeah, Zed, I think this is as close as we're gonna get, so we'll take it. So thank you. I may need some help with implementing Riolu Seasons branch. Why don't you just ask Riolu? Like, I'm sure Ruby can help you, but as someone like As someone who works with Ryomu a lot, like, he'll just answer you. I actually don't. He has weird hours. Like, his time zone is technically 2 ahead of me, but he's awake at all kinds of weird hours. I would just ask him in like a server, and he'll get back to you. He's a good bean, for sure. I'm just more clarifying here, but his stance on AI hasn't been entirely properly regulated. Yeah, I would like to live in that world where, I mean, that's how I feel about any sufficiently strong technology, is that it is just used in fair and ethical ways to enhance humans and not push them into poverty. But, you know, I think that's like a cold take. Or should be a cold take. But what do I know? Okay, that just worked. And now, the scripts. No, damn it. Okay. Okay. Come on. Yeah, I got it right. Okay, fuck yeah. Okay. Okay, so that just works. Very cool. Kind of surprised, not gonna lie. Okay. Is there a... Okay. Should I just leave it alone because it fucking works?
Oh,
okay.
Yeah.
Set play. Okay, so actually what we'll do... Alright, now in the backseat I can actually mean what this means for the quest. Unknown variable fields. Oh my god, it's Mrs. PSF. Yes, that is my partner in the background, yapping away. Because I did put it in the define for the struct. She left the room, but I'll let her know you all say hello. Actually, I'm going to just screenshot this and send it to her, and she can do what she wants with that. Not the pre-proc define, like the definition of side quests as a struct. Can you show me that? Like, I'm almost certain you just didn't do that. Nope, that's a macro. Like, where is... Here, actually, I have it here. Actually, mine looks a little bit different than yours. Side quest. Yeah, this right here. Did you add variable to that? No, yeah, I figured. Yeah, I knew it was an easy fix. I wait to see how the potential backlash goes. At the moment, I won't be abandoning Tone entirely because it's a choice for the new game. I think that's... I will certainly not tell you, hey, can you abandon everything you love about this franchise out of one simple mistake? Like, I get why people say that, even if I don't necessarily agree with that idea. But I hear you. I think it is fair and reasonable to hold people in power like that, you know, accountable and like call them out on their shit, but it doesn't mean we have to just walk away. So good on you for having nuance. A rare idea. Also, side note, this song is so good. Like, I remember in like 2018 thinking about how good this song was before LGPE got announced, and then they came out. I was just like the happiest bitch that like Game Freak heard my cries and said, "We got you, fam. Here's a remake." And we're going to play it right now because it's so good. It's just so good. On a very irrelevant and even more unrelated note. Finally, some interesting errors. Now, finally, some good fucking food. Oh, this is so good. Okay. All right, let's test reflections, which I'm very scared don't work at all, but we're gonna see. I won't fly you into a map, and then okay. Oh my god, it just works. Holy shit, y'all. PSF sleeping stream when? Is it just gonna be the Natu? Because it can't close its eyes. I can wink, see, like that. Oh, it does close. Okay, all right. I could sit here and sleep. Hold on, like, are my eyes? I can't see if my eyes are closed, but one is closed. Yeah, I could do a sleeping stream. I won't, but I could. Currently, I have the variable field to be null, so I'm guessing it should be 0. Correct. I was debating if I should answer you or make you figure it out, but it is the reason null is used for like strings or data like that. Like string, like it's used for like data, and when something is a number, like the variable itself is just like a number, right? And the content of the variable is also numbers, so there's no reason that it wouldn't be 0. Yeah. Hololive Ian has this event called Ignitic, which is basically a Minecraft modded RP event with a whole story that's being improvised by the talents. Whoa. That feels like a lot of work for an event. Holy shit, Hololive's going in. Okay, if I change the hair color... Let's change it to like yellow. Sure. Oh my god, it just works. That's crazy. Alright. Was not expecting that at all. Yeah, it's peaking. I'm investing in one of the stories there. Hell yeah. You know GG Mirror? No shot. No, that sounds somewhat familiar. Is she the cat looking one? She's like orange and black. Am I misremembering that? The name definitely sounds familiar. You definitely mentioned them in a past stream. Oh, Christ. Okay. Alright. I don't know what else needs to... Oh, there's that other bug. Yeah, that. Okay. Alright, most interesting message so far. Let's see. Is not constant? What? Why does it... What's 591? Oh, are you showing me 591? Var get... Wait. Which line specifically is 591? Oh. Because you added a variable to the function definition. You don't want the... What you're trying to do, Ruby, is you're saying, oh, I want to store the value in this struct. But that's not what you actually want. You want the ID of the variable that the game knows to look at and increment and decrement. Like, you can store functions like that in structs, but that's not what you actually want to do right now. Yeah. Just... Okay, cool. I hope I explained that well. It's like what you're doing like makes sense. I get why you're doing it. You just happen to be incorrect. The gremlin normally. Let me open this in browser. Yeah. I remember this one. Yes. I definitely remember her. And you had an audio clip of her saying like Bintin something, and then she was giggling. Yeah, I remember her. See, I'm paying attention, chat. I interact with my viewers. Yeah, Bogo's Bintin. Yes. No, I think variable is fine. Or, I mean, I don't care what you name it, but I think variable... I mean, okay, variable is like a bad name in the grand scheme of things. It should be like quest variable or something, but I got what you were trying to do. Um, but yes, I remember. I remember GG, dude. I'm so proud of myself for remembering that. You have no idea. I just went from knowing nothing to some things, and I think that's cool. All right, the color flashes. Ooh, why is that one freaking out? Huh. Now imagine her, but she lost all her memories and is now has the memories of a pure-hearted yet dumb knight. That is gone within G. Okay, lost her memories and has memories of a pure-hearted. That is an insane plot twist, but also sounds like an insane character. I have much restructuring to do. Godspeed, Ruby. Yeah, I think my primary PR feedback for you was like, can we just have less stuff going on? Like, we got a lot of, and that's partially my fault. Like, if I would write that feature today, I would have written it very differently. But like, let's not make it worse, you know? Like, definitely do not blame you. What is happening with? Okay, let's look at number one. Okay. I am here to remind the goat and ask will you listen to some piano. Yes, I do remember you asking that. Yep, I'll do it right now. Super. Here we go. Should I shuffle it? Do you want me to start from the top? To be honest, when I port quests to expansion, I'll see how about any cleanup I can do. I would not. I mean, Ruby, you can do it, but I wouldn't. Like, as someone who recently had to, it's just so much work. Like, I would not release that feature today, and it's just. I personally just unmacroed the side quest macro myself. Honestly, if I do an update, I will also do that. And the reason I haven't done an AGS is I would feel bad that I would need to like release a migration script for everyone else, and I don't want to do that. But making that a macro was definitely a fucking mistake. 100%. Like, just bad design. Body type, in my time we had male 1, 2, and 3. That's exactly what I'm doing, actually, Musmero. Is, I have 9 bodies in my game. 3 male presenting, 3 female presenting, and 3 non-binary. I think shuffling is good. Alright, you got it. Shuffled super. Coming right up. Where is super? I downloaded it. That's Gates to Infinity now. That's blue. That's sky. That's Picross. That's quest. Where the fuck is super? I just am not scanning this box art right. That's Undertale. Here we go. Super. Here we go. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Play shuffled. Here we go. It is happening. Jonathan G would he refers to himself now from what I can remember. Like he talks about himself in the first person. Okay. Front. Create front sprite. Okay. Ah, okay. I see. And body type is. Oh, wait. Does that just update? It does. Just outlining Jonathan G's. Oh, okay. Yeah. I my next question was actually, is GG male? And I just misgendered them this whole time, but they changed. Okay, understood. Thank you for anticipating my next question. Okay, what is going on here? It only happens to one, and it's only the front sprite. Okay, if I do this... So I always do M1, then what happens? Okay, let's look at... Okay, so it is just a problem. Were you thinking something like this? QVAR. Hold on. Wait. Get quest location is assuming, yeah, that's basically what I was thinking. Except you can't do QVAR, so now you have to do inside of quest 3 maps. Now you need to do varget. Now you need the value of the variable there. But I would check if that's null. Like, don't return null. Like, if it's null, then return the quest ID map. And if it's not null, return this. And I also... yeah, and that'll take care of the default case as well. But yeah, that's basically... I also, like, don't think there should be a separate table for the maps for Quest 3's states. Like, but that's a future problem. But you get it. So, like, here, I'll put it on my screen. So I'm thinking, like, you need to do this now. Okay. Does this make sense to you now? Does that make sense so far? Like, I need to get the value of the quest variable for this quest, and then, like, if the value is 0, then go to index 0 in the map table and return that. Does that so far make sense? Yeah, no problem. It is funky, especially because I just told you to do the opposite 2 minutes ago. Now, one step further is you actually want this. Because what I did is I just removed... oh, okay. If you removed it entirely, then it doesn't matter. I see. Oh, then don't do varget. I see. This is just... oh, so if you're just raw incrementing this number... then yes. Then yeah, you're right. Okay. Then yeah, do not do the varget. Yeah. I didn't realize you had gotten rid of that already. But that is definitely something you should do. Increase and yeah, I would just... yeah. Increment, decrement, and then use that as a wrapper for wherever you need to. And probably make it available, like... instead of relying, I mean, I would make it a whole macro too in the overworld, like progress state, quest state, or something like that. But yeah, you get it. Cool. Okay. Okay, so M1 works on its own. M1. Okay, so let's look at... did I just not define a front pick for this guy? No, hold on. What is body type right now? Okay. Body type. Because this should just be 0. If it's not 0, what the fuck is going on? Body type 0. Yeah, what the hell? Okay, let's try this. Trainer, front pick. Trainer, front pick. Okay. Do. I know this song because it's in every other game. Okay. Interesting. Oh, it just fucking works now? Okay, fine. Huh. Okay, whatever. It just works now. Huh. Okay. Okay, how do I change the palading problem? Oh, this is alright, hold on. There's a tweet happening. Her pronouns are he. Okay. This is me. This is me just like, okay, is there audio for this? Am I gonna get banned for this?
Your knight didn't see anything. She turned away.
He.
Hey, by the way, your knight didn't see anything.
Okay, that wasn't bad.
He.
Alright, cool. Not just me, thank you. Okay, this just works, that's cool. Okay. So now okay. I didn't intend that clip to be there, just postman. Oh, okay. I thought it was context. It's fine. No big deal. It did not degrade the quality of the stream. You are good. Okay. Uh-oh. Update quest ID. This seems incorrect. I would not do that. That will not work. Yeah. What would I do? Oh, wait. Hold on. None of this is gonna work. Ah, shit. Hold on. Hold on. I think I set you down a bad path. I'm a bad person. Hold on. Fuck. It's constant data. You can't do this at all. Fuck. I think you have to do the variable thing. Wait, hold on. Did I tell you not to? Hold on. Did I misremember? Hold on a second. Hold on. Complex quest system. Hold on. Okay. Where is my other feedback? Here, where can I just look at all my feedback real quick? Well, you did show me how to do it with Varget. Yeah. Okay. Wait, time out. Are you so you are still using a VAR? Okay, I think I'm successfully bothering Rio now. Fuck yeah, get him. Tell him I sent you. I am not using a VAR. Can you show me what you are using? I did. I'm sure. Good. Get him. Yeah, Ruby, I'm a little confused now. Like, can you show me a quest from side quests where the VAR is declared? Uh, do, 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 do. Okay, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I'm looking in that palette flash problem. I think you really must really like me. Oh no, why? I thought it could be a few. No, that won't work. Because it's constant data. Like everything in side quest is unchanging. So no, you have to use a var. Yeah. Okay. All right. That yeah. Can't do that. I found a clip to bring some context. All right. I will watch this clip now.
Where are you?
I am in the stairs.
Oh, my occupation is smith. I will create the
Smith.
finest weapon one day.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Oh, one day I was gonna ask if I can put in a request.
Oh, I will definitely learn how to make the finest weapon for you. At no
I was
charge.
my brain rot to you guys. You're doing it.
My friendship towards you.
Oh, wow, thank you. In exchange, I would love to supply you with all the resources that you need.
Oh yeah.
And these are actual HoloLive actors.
Commander, not queen, right? Are you queen?
Why would I be queen?
Oh.
Was I queen? Was I?
Am
I
I
don't know. I've heard very
playing characters here? Okay, got it, got it.
I've heard from the lady in red. You
Lady
should
in red.
seek her out. She has an
Lady in red.
accent.
Oh,
Mm,
her.
yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, seek her out. I think she knows a lot more about you.
Do you know me?
I don't know, but you just feel so familiar.
This is so many levels of brain rot, and I'm loving it.
I do believe I.
I
know
don't
you,
understand anything
and
that's happening.
I believe that we were friends.
We were of equal standing.
Mayhaps. I do not know.
Mayhaps. Oh no.
Interesting.
I feel loyalty towards you. If that is true friendship, I will die for you.
Oh, okay. That is
But that
not
is
necessary.
intense.
Oh, should I not die for you?
Nope. Don't do that.
I think you should live for yourself.
My random goose doesn't affect me. Yeah,
Hmm.
I get it.
Seriously, where are you though?
I don't know. I just see you above me. I see your name.
Oh,
tag.
I am
through the
above
wall.
you.
Yes, your perceived name tag.
New
has
Italian brain rot. Is that like DLC?
What is a name tag?
Oh, it's just a floating thing in the ground.
Towards the sky.
Have you looked down diagonally?
Diagonally.
Diagonal down?
Diagonal down. Oh,
That's a terrible direction.
See?
I can hear you if you're all the way down there.
I don't know. That's why I was surprised you could hear me eating on my bread.
Oh,
It was like you were right there.
I know.
okay. So the voice proximity is fucked up.
There you are.
Hello.
Wait, isn't this Minecraft? Can't you just like go through the floor?
I believe that
The
it is their ruin
soundproofing here.
I don't understand.
It's because we are thousands of years in the past. They didn't, you know.
They don't have
walls are-
soundproofing. Got it.
The stones are supposed to be actually pretty good soundproofing material
Maybe the kingdom
because
is
they
poor.
are solid.
Maybe. All right. I have no idea what is happening, but I'm learning things. Thank you for sharing, AGS. I don't know why I love Italian brain rot. It's my favorite. Okay. So it's just when I do the... It only happens sometimes. Actually, hold on. Oh, it's when it cycles back around. Okay. Interesting. 1, 2, 3. I have no idea what a table is in C, but I'll learn of my own. You definitely do. Did I tell you to make a table? Like, where weaknesses are stored, like that's a table. Yeah, for the map descriptions. I gotta look at what I said. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Table. Yeah, like that's a table. What Smaro just put? Yeah. Hold on. The macro's getting away here. I think it's the description of the whole other table. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay, table was a wrong way to put it, but like, yeah, I don't want this. Yeah, you made a table, like G table, like that is a table. Like you did that already. Yeah, and I'm saying I don't want this to exist, or I don't think it should exist. On more relevant stuff, I managed to work on game point expansion stuff to make it. Oh yeah, I did see that Chris tagged you for porting that, right? So thank you for doing a service to the community. Yeah, absolute cinema. I reached out to Chris about something else I'm working on, but he never got back to me. So I assume he's just like hella busy. Recolor player characters. Oh, interesting. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I managed to free all variables magic on 89 play mainly for every. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Does. Oh, because he used variables for like tracking game state. Yeah, none of that stuff should be in the save block, right? So, like, yeah, that should be easy to get rid of. Good shit. Might be in the actual code. Hold on. Okay, let's see. For the magic number, what I might do, define, because that's a number to edit rather than just editing a big enum. Why is it defined bigger than an enum? Like, if it's an enum, I just add quest var here. Versus having to change this number. If there's like if I made a like 10 of them and I put one in the middle, then I have to update all of them. Right? Like if you do this. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I'm saying like quest bar A is 0, right? Okay, and now I want to add one here, like E. If I want to do that, now I have to update all of these, right? With an enum, I just fucking stick it in, like, oh, quest var E. Boom, just updates. This is now 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Didn't have to do anything else. And then for you, like literally what I'm doing here, right? Like, I'm just putting num at the bottom, and you can just use num as, hey, here's the max number of states for this quest. Do you see what I'm getting at? And just every quest has an enum. Yeah, I think that's less work. But I'm open to being told I'm wrong. I don't know why you're in ways easier, but based on my understanding, I don't think that is the case. Yeah, I remember this one. Okay. Is back for Silicon player. Okay. Chain. Oh no, this is front. Recolor. What is this? Oh. Interesting. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna fix up all the modern work warnings before publishing the branches to shit. I think that's a good bar to draw. I would also do that. I get that. Okay, let's do this. And then let's just move it here. We're just gonna move all this logic here. Okay. Okay, and then this is color player characters, and this is sprite OAM palette num. I've been documenting stuff for Gotcha, Derby, and Gotcha. You're doing the Lord's work. Thank you for your service. Okay, turns out the function that I needed already existed, which is awesome, really. And that will be the biggest release 2025. I don't know. I think Pokemon Odyssey is coming out this year. That will probably be the biggest release 2025. But the Game Corner fixes for expansion are still up there. Still goated. Yeah, Odyssey is gonna definitely finish this year. Let's not move the moment. You're right. I'll be quiet. I think Voyager might also come out this year, but you didn't hear that from me. Just just a thought. There's a likelier chance than Unbound's final update being this year. I think Unbound's actually I can say with authority. No, I take it back. I'm gonna shut up about Unbound. That is possible. I'll put it that way. Ruby Unbound mod back. Oh, you're a mod, so you probably know more than I do. Here, I'll DM you. I won't. Oh wait, are you a mod on the subreddit? Just subreddit? Okay, yeah. Never mind. Let me just. Sorry. I thank you for speaking up. Oh, actually, the guy who posts super optimized runs of Unbound in battles, I reached out to him a couple weeks ago. I don't know his name. I think Spec sounds about right. I reached out to him a couple weeks ago because having someone like that to break not only battles in my game, but also an expansion would be super useful. Yeah, that guy. But he said he wasn't taking on any, he didn't want to work on any more hacks right now. And I was super sad about it. Because he just has, I want the community to have more minds like that. Like people who are actively trying to break and like exploit. Yeah. And my question was, are there more people like him? Peter, what are you doing? Crackle. At least not drinking. What up, Sonic? What's crackle-lacking? Long time no talk. In the Unbound community, not that I know of. Yeah, I figured I'd ask. Fun fact, the Ian Redcrow Brand has already spread into my project World Link Deluxe based on the first chapter of the event. Is it hard to, like, because Toho keeps getting new content and Hololive keeps getting new content, you are, like, do you feel like you have to, like, keep up with that stuff? Does that, like, slow you down, AGS? You have said, where'd you get crack? Dude, what are you doing? My man is just... What? It's either this year or next year. Unbound 10th anniversary. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Next year is not the 10th anniversary of Unbound, unless you count like the demo coming in. Yes, I do count it. All right, yeah. If you count the OG demo, right behind Black's Hardware Store. Are you just doing a full-on Family Guy skit in my fucking chat? I go by the PC, which is 2016. Yeah, that makes sense. Yes. I try to keep my scope manageable, although I've recently expanded it with me making progress from my decomp port. Wait, decomp port? What? Is your game in binary? Took long enough for you to notice. I noticed right away when you said Peter and Brian. I just didn't think you were going to keep going. So World of Clowns was really dude, I'm not gonna lie, I love that we as a community have just shamed binary hackers into self-censoring. I think that's the funniest shit. Yeah, the censor is so good. Like, oh man. Yeah, I know because of the bot, but it's just funny. The whole thing is funny. It's funny and morally correct. Oh man. That's how you're gonna get more decomp hackers. It's shaming the binary hackers out of existence. Like, I don't know if you guys follow Melee. It's like we treat binary hackers like they treat puff players. Like, we just no. We're not. No, if you say the word, the bot like shows up, kicks in the door, and starts screaming at you. Dang it, I want to shame my fellow hackers like that. No, you gotta just tell them that they gotta do better. It's like when your friend's using a flip phone, you gotta be like, dog, get out of here. Nah, shame. The converse of this is about service. People start saying P. Look, I'm fine with people saying P. I don't care. I am a like, not moderator. I'm a maintainer of P. That's full of funny to me. I support P. That's totally fine with me. Get your P on, kids. That is not a sentence I should have said on stream. But the way to invest in progress, make progress decomp now. With Unbound, yeah, Unbound should not port. Definitely not. Unbound shouldn't port, but Crown did. Like, Crown was super far in development and they switched. But no, Unbound should not switch at this point. Fuck it. Also, they're almost done, right? Like, I meant for my fellow Tohomon. Oh, I see. Oh no, it's definitely not more exactly. Oh yeah. Now, I mean, I feel like it's so hard to get people to switch because there's like sunk costs. But I'm glad you, AGS, are already like, no, we're doing this the right way. I can't have Archie's bot making fun of me anymore. I gotta get out of there. Okay, let's see. Okay, if I put this here. Decompelled. Took me a second. Bro switch because I'm willing. Hey, look, you do what you gotta do to help your friends, okay? 627. Oh. Okay. Actually, it's this. It's. Okay, pound. Okay. I was going to make you use decomp, so I thought going phone would be natural progression. I agree. That is indeed the natural progression. I'll tell you a secret. This game was also originally a binary hack, but I saw the light pretty early on. Look, doing binary stop hacking. You need to get the number to play. Here's a number. I like the hypnotherapist. That's good. Okay, let's see. Did I get... Oh, I did not. I made it bad. Okay. Oh, interesting. Fuck. It still does it. Okay. Why? Okay, interesting. Oh my god. Alright, let's try this. No, it still happens. Oh, what the hell was that? Whoa. Fun. Why is that a sometimes thing? That's not good at all. Okay, let's see. Computer loads up advanced map. No. Yeah, but decomp now allows me to do funny stuff like this. Alright, let's hold on. Gotta download it. Alright, let's see. That is cute. Alright, we got a new follower. Very cute. I got asked about this outfit system today. Someone just asked me if there was one fan of the song. Whoa, it's a remix. This is great. Yeah, I'm loving this. It sounds great. Ah, it's the animate. Haha. Did Mudskip do a similar outfit system? The one I'm showing in the video is Mudskip's. The one I made, me and Rio. Actually, Riolu wrote this code. I designed it. Like, I designed how it works. Somebody else did the art, and then Riolu actually coded this. So the bug I'm fixing right now is Riolu's fucking bug. Peter, I made some decomp tutorials. What? What is happening? But AGS, I love the demo. That was sick. Ew, no, it's okay. This is a safe space. Being non-binary is based in several different ways. Also, AMD, I do not recognize your avatar, and because everyone has a funny processor name, I have no idea who the fuck you are. So if we've met, I apologize. But also, hi, what's up? And I think Ryzen 5 might be new. Oh, okay. Well, welcome aboard. Hello. I just assumed they had a trendy name and therefore they were in the club, you know? Guess I am new. Welcome aboard. Welcome to the club. Okay. If I do this... yeah, we don't bite, I think. We're all good beings here. For the most part. I am so lost for expansion wiki stuff on my notes. Is AI being overhauled? I didn't even know that. Or you mean the AI section of the wiki is being overhauled? I'm not saying it's not happening. I'm saying it's not threatening, I promise. Yeah, there we go. We bite with consent in this chat. I'm an expansion, not wiki. Oh. Yeah, maybe it is possible. I might be thinking of tests. Look, I just let Pocky and Alex do whatever they want, and now there's Linaria, I think, who's been helping with AI, so there's gonna be some wild shit happening over there. For sure. Okay, Mrs. PSF finally saw the messages, and she says hi. That is all. Oh. Oh my god, you're gonna reply. Oh boy. You're gonna scare her. But yeah, she's pretty great. Big fan. Tell her everyone loves her. I did. She actually tell Mrs. PSF that PSF needs to get Albertison chocolate chip store brand cookies. I don't think we have Albertisons where I am. Isn't that like Midwest and Canada? Like we don't have them on this coast, I don't think. Albertson, not Albertison. Okay, fine. Sorry. Might be. In any case, I'd have to order them online. And we're both California. I know, but you're in SoCal. Oh, you're right. I see. So there might be some in SoCal. Yeah, let me look. What is the closest Albertsons to San Francisco? Let's see. San Francisco. Ask her favorite CPU. She's not in the room. I can't, but I will ask her. But also, she has no idea what a CPU is, so she definitely doesn't have a favorite. Okay, I don't think there's any Albertsons in NorCal at all. Oh my, it's Bubbles. Oh my god. Okay. I need to get the palette number from the Sprite. Okay, so this can just be Sprite ID, right? Yes. Okay, so best menu data. Okay, hold on. And then if I do this OEM palette num, okay. And then I do this. Okay. It still happens. What the fuck? We only gave the doo-doo music from the shuffle. I'm sorry. I don't know. It all seems fine. Yeah, you tell me to skip, I'll skip. Promise. If you give me like if you DM me like a curated list, I will make the Zed playlist. Like the bangers only list. I'll just play that. Anyone here into horses? I am not a horse person. But it looks like a horse race map. Those also are some weird looking horses. Okay, why does it only happen? Okay. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, it's just like a game that I don't know about? Okay, got it. That's why. Appreciate the blessings. Okay, the color. Oh, wait, does everything? Okay, it does. Okay, we all have a little brain rot. That is true. We do all have a little brain rot in this. Does Pokemon count as well? Wait. Pokemon definitely counts for brain rot, yeah. Definitely. Okay, let's see. Palettes. Oh, interesting. Well, we need to Expose PSF. Oh, to horse race test? Oh boy. Maybe. Big maybe. Okay. I was referring to Einar Bear with that. Oh, huh, okay. I'm safe is what I'm hearing. Is it always just palette 3? Course race test, all races, upload order. This okay, I'm afraid to click this. Okay. Do you just bet on randomly moving gifts? Okay. God, oh my god, there. What up, Dirtius? For all the horse race tests, upload on YouTube for those who don't have Twitter. Oh, okay, I suddenly understand now. Okay, thank you. Wow. With one, I just needed the word DVD and I just suddenly understood. Okay, and this is a thing that the kids are doing on the Twitter. Understood. These are an hour long. How okay, that one how this is mildly disturbing to be honest. Yeah, this is a lot, guys. Like what? Blu-ray horses when. Oh, who talked? Oh, you can hear her? Yeah, let's her in the other room. I'm surprised you heard that. Yeah, the noise gate. That was the biggest jump scare. I will let her know that she jump scared you. No, someone in the channel. Oh, I didn't hear it. Do I have it muted? I didn't hear anything talk at all. What the hell? Was I just talking over it? Oh, in the Discord channel. I understand. It's okay, got it. Oh, wait. Come, hold on. Everybody says hi and they love you.
Hi.
She's waving. Just putting that out there. Okay, I can't that's all. They wanted me to let you know. Okay, she left. She's gone. This is crazy. I can't this is an hour long. Y'all have lost your minds. And maybe I just don't know what is funny anymore. Yeah, I know. I realize when you guys say channel, you mean the Discord channel. Got it. Juridius, how are you? What's crack-a-lackin'? Okay. So I have... Should it always just be palette free? Okay, let me just look at the... Oh, wait, what the hell? Oh. Interesting. Ooh. Okay. Gotta ban the spot. Let's do that. Just chilling on a Friday. How are you? I am fantastic. Life is good. Just another fun day making a video game. Tell us more. 134 more. Okay. And got rid of a spam bot. Oh, I don't have the YouTube chat. Shit, I didn't turn on the YouTube chat. Anybody who's been talking on YouTube, I just didn't see them. Fuck. Oh, no. Okay, well, hopefully no one said anything this whole time. Okay, docs. Custom browser docs. YouTube chat. Alright. YouTube is now fixed. Fuck, this whole time I just didn't have them in there. How do you handle combos? Combos... I need more context. How many were X on YouTube? I have no idea. There's no way for me to, or I can see here. Let's see. Can I look at? I see one watching, and it's me. It says there's only been one viewer this whole stream, which was probably you, which means I didn't miss anybody. So that's good, I guess. For the trainer close combination. Go on. Like combinations of what? Like when you change one, it changes. Like that's it. So I don't know what you mean by combos. For my combos, usually get fries. Sometimes salad's always good, dude. I love green shit. We have the colors separate enough per part. Yeah. Like we have all of our stats or all of our sprites designed in a way that like the colors are distinct enough from each other that you can see the change, and the palette slot is always the same. That's like an intentional design choice we had to make. These sprites are pog. Thank you. My artist is great. He's amazing. So you specify a certain part of the palette to edit. That's exactly what I do. Like this function here, recolor player characters, is this. Like it takes in the palette, from the palette number, it gets the palette in the global table, and it like raw edits it. Like it gets the RGB value and then tone shifts it if I need shading, or it just edits it to the raw color. Yes. But yeah, you got it. They were investing each other, but Jonathan had to finally get memory back when Rainer just Amelia Watson. Jonathan was heartbroken. He was willing to accept what happened, wrote down as a story, tell the other. This is so much lore. How do I roll? Do I write a table in C? Wait, why are you making a table? I was telling you no table. Like you already made the table. I'm like, didn't you make like side quest table or something like that? Like you had one, and I'm telling you, don't do that. Thank you, Sonic. Doing the Lord's work here. Alright, where? Okay, so the sprite ID. No more replace and switch cases for tables. Okay, what are you referring to? Hold on, let me open it up. Yeah, when did I say table somewhere else? I don't think we add descriptions to a whole other table. And then, oh, it's this one. Got it. I see. Okay, hold on. Let me look at this. Get quest location. Sorry. Okay, I understand, Ruby. Give me a second. A table would be better here. The table returns now. I think that's what I was saying before. Hold on. Did I give... Ah, okay, I understand. Okay, Ruby. I think what I was saying with the descriptions, right, is like in a perfect world, all the descriptions are in the quest struct itself. So that you don't have to make another table of like this G table, like this is a table, right? Like you already made one. This, and I am saying like, shouldn't all of this just be in side quests? So I did say table here, but what I mean is like, you should just call a location instead of a switch statement, check if it's null, and if not, return what is there. Am I making sense? Okay. So a couple things. Hold on. Let me tape. Okay. Okay, side quest. Okay. So we have to think about how to do this, right? But there's gotta be a way to do like and that's why I said the macro was getting in the way, because like I think you can change the definition of description from this to like max quest state, right? Like this. And then this would be something like gtext. No argument. Yeah. Right? And I think you gotta check me on this. But what I think that will mean is that if you then look at, right, so this is like 0 and this is 1. And then for what you're doing, which is S side quest. Oh, hold on. So then for this, I would do like, that's going to return the original one. That's going to return the first one. So if I do like var get quest var, or like, you know what I mean, right? Like the qvar or whatever, then it'll return it for that. And then I'm saying go one step further, right? Check if this is null. And if it's not null, then return that value. I think this will require some fuckery with the macro. I'm almost certain it will require some fuckery with the macro, and I apologize in advance. And if you get stuck on just the macro part, let me know and I will try to bail you out, because that's my fault. But yeah, let me know if that is or isn't making sense. It's starting to make sense, so I'll start tinkering. Okay, I'll leave this up in case we have to come back to it. Small update, Raylo was not able to help me. Oh no, are you just like diverging too far from what he's trying to do? Okay. Recolor player characters just works. Okay. Oh, it's always, I see. Hold on. Oh, I am not surprised he can't help you. Got it. Yeah, I think unfortunately what you're gonna have to do is like look at the diff of his code from Vanilla Emerald and just try to like reverse engineer what he did. Yeah, I'm not shocked he is not able to help. You could also just ask like but at least you asked the owner. Funny enough, I tried that already. Then the next step is what you started with, I guess, which is asking in a public forum. There's got to be someone else who's done it, right? Expansion's popular, seasons are popular. I wish I could help, but my game does not have seasons, so I have no experience with seasons. Okay, is it always when it's 2? Or is it always when it's 0? Okay, when I go right one. Okay, and then one more. Interesting. Yeah, it's whenever it's palette 0, it freaks out and then switches back. Okay, that's good to know. So now... I see what you meant about the macro getting in the way. Yeah. Yeah. Like this might be the death knell to, like, if you want to upgrade, we have to unwind the macro and I have to write a migration script, but I'm annoyed by that. Do you have the... I guess actually in the vanilla branch, unwinding the macro is probably not that bad because there's like no quests in there. Yeah, it's probably okay. But I would almost certainly not want to release your thing without, like, I would call it a save breaking version. Let me know if I missed anything. Okay. I must attend to the sleep ceremony for my brain rot, the supporting art piece for Jonathan G. Yeah, thank you for the lore. I'm having I'm ingesting a lot. A somewhat remembrance of things past. Hello, Shire of the Nivellas. Your name is what you started in this land. I'm Jonathan G. Call me as you want to, though. The sunrise is beautiful today. I think I get it. This is cute, though. Thank you for sharing your brain rot with us. And I assume the sleep ceremony is you are going to bed, so good night. Good hang sesh. So it won't work like this because of the macro. I would not expect it to work. Like, you can try it, but I'm gonna assume that won't work. I would be very surprised if it did. Like, shocked even. And I don't quite know how to get it to work with the macro. Like, I gotta really think about it. Okay. Recolor player characters. There's a slot. Okay, why is it only when it's at 0 does it have a problem? Yeah, it didn't work. Yeah, I'm not. Okay, let's see. Set custom. Okay, wait, palette num. So should I? It always picks a free palette. It always. Do I just prevent it from picking 0? Or is this like, do I just store a global? Okay, let's see this actually. Oh, That is what's happening. Okay. Wait, hold on. Okay. Quest variable is not constant. QVAR is undeclared here. But you added QVAR to the main side quest struct? Also, why is it freaking out about done description? Yeah, that's problem number one. Okay. Where are you calling QVAR? I looked at my Hue spider randomly spotting my room calling it spawned in your room. Yeah, okay, you figured it out. Yeah, I figured. What did you do to the spider? What is the fate of new spider? Okay, if I do this. Okay. Spider was shot down, transported. Yeah, I don't know if eating the spider means you absorb its powers. I'm not quite certain that's how it works. I could be wrong. I'm wrong about a lot of things. But I don't think so. Okay. If it's not, okay, hold on. You can go to Southeast if you like some grilled spiders. Oh my god. Was not expecting that, but you are not wrong. Okay. And then it's right. Trainer front pick, okay. Yeah, it's U16. Because that's what variables are. Okay, sprite ID equals now compiles. Hell yeah. Alright, we're cooking. Commit that shit before you forget. Create trainer sprite is okay. And then I recolor it right away. Alright, that won't do anything, but I'm gonna see. Got it, okay. But it's only when the pallet number is 0. Why is that? Like, I needed to stop from loading. I see. Okay, I know what I have to do. Ugh. Is it here too? Yeah, it happens everywhere. Okay. So this palette tag, okay. And then do you just make them invisible? Oh. Oh, I could just do that. I'll just make them invisible. Duh. Okay, that's cheating, but it works. G sprites. And then this is, I think, just invisible. Now what? The descriptions is like the last thing. Oh, if you did everything else already. Do you want to try unwinding the macro, seeing how hard that is? Like, actually, I think step number 1 is, can you figure out how to edit the macro to take length? Like, I wonder if there's a macro and expansion you can copy, but I don't think it's worth the time. And yeah, I think it's better if you just unwind the macro. Do you feel comfortable doing that? Like, or actually, yeah, that's what you should do. And that means I have to write a migration script. I'm so annoyed, but that's fine. Like, getting rid of it entirely. Yeah, I don't want to write a migration script. I'm gonna use Python and shit. Oh well, it's for the best. Alright, let me know how it goes. And then this becomes false right after I do it. Right, let's see if that helps. I doubt it though. Nope. Actually, why doesn't it? Interesting. Yeah, probably. You should unwind both, even though it makes me sad. Oh. Interesting. Okay. Oh. Get current sequence. Oh, interesting. They're just invisible already. Oh, interesting. That's very interesting. Okay. Okay. So it looks at where we currently are in things. It turns it invisible. So this just stops it from doing that. Okay, now how do I tell it, hey, if you haven't... Okay, what if I do this? This means it'll never show up, right? Okay, that's what I thought. And then color player characters. So making it temporarily invisible does not work. I don't know why it's only at 0 though. That's the weird part. And it goes away after like literally a second. It gets overwritten when I load. Okay, so let's just not load it then. Alright, fine. Annoying, but... Okay, so... I need all this shit. So can I just copy this wholesale? This feels extremely excessive. Okay. If this is... I assume CPU fast copy can't be stored inside of an integer type. The result of CPU fast copy, I actually don't know what type it is. CPU fast copy. What the hell is it? Oh, it's like barely a function. It's a macro. That's why. So you probably... I don't think it outputs anything. It's probably void, so no. I don't know how to undo the side quest macro wrapper and what to replace it. What'd you replace it with for the main quest? Oh, I see. You don't replace it at all. You just delete it. And you have to rewrite the struct to just function like a normal fucking struct now. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I would want to write a migration script for, because otherwise everybody's going to have to do that by hand. Which would be shitty. Okay, buffer. Okay. Oh, trainer sprite ID is... U32. Do you have to do a struct instance for each? No, it's still one giant. Every quest is a member of the giant side quest struct. So you shouldn't have to do a new instance now. If I'm understanding your question correctly, which I think I am. Trainer sprite ID. Oh, no. This is... Trainer front pick. Trainer back sprite X. Trainer. Okay. And then if then it's null. Okay, so then buffer is... Oh no, it's... UA star buffer is null. Okay. Okay. This definitely ain't correct. You're super close though. Oh, maybe maybe you and I use the word instant differently, but you basically just need like oh, I did it. Do you see how mine looks? This is what it looks like unwound. Yeah. Okay. Sub-priority? Wait. Oh, sub-priority is 0. Okay, fine. Okay. Oh, God. Create sprite. Where are you? Okay, hold on. Okay, let's just see if this fucking works, first of all. Okay. And then... Create. Oh, god damn it. I did it again. Okay. And then create sprite. Where are you located? Sprite. Okay, so this is. Okay, let's try this. What the hell? Oh. Oh. 889. Do not return there. S many data pointed. Sprite IDs. Okay. This should just function exactly the same. That's all we want. 889. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, functions the same way. Cool. And now, where's the palette tag? Yeah. Okay. Ah, it's here. How do I get the palette number? I believe I have it. I believe that is it, yes. That's just unwinding the macro. That's like step 1. Step 2 now is the thing I suggested. But yes. I would do subquest last only because you don't need to do that for the variable quest stuff to work. Like, it's up to you, but that feels less important. Okay, this is getting the tag of the palette, but where am I loading the palette itself? Or how is it deciding the palette number? Is it when I create the sprite? And then this is taking the... Speaking of quests, I'm working lots for quest design. Is very fun. Oh, that is sick. And I agree that quest design is super fun. Anything to show off, or is it all under lock and key? Hang on. Oh boy. Okay, it gets the palette tag, but the tag does not determine the slot. When is the slot determined is the question. It's not from the sprite template. It's dynamic. So it's got to be here. I think this is like interesting. Huh. The address of the palette. Ah, so what if we did a dynamic palette? Okay. I think I'm... okay, I think I'm getting there. I told Viola to blame you. I will be getting a DM momentarily, I'm sure. But thank you. All is well. Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of this. So now... You think you... Okay, so now if I do... Dynamic palette. Oh boy, okay. I will download this and watch it next. Oh. It was not explaining this music. So include the enemy. Will you ever need to retaught a lesson? Respect, kiddo. That is funny. It's super cute. I love shit like that. Took me free. Oh, like the walk slowly? Yeah, it's insane how many movement macros are in Pokemon mode that you just never use. Yeah. Like when you discover ASM macros movement, you're like, wait, what? All this is here? Yeah, it's crazy. With male swimmer slate port. It's not a Pori script, I can't read this. Hold on, I'm trying. Wait, you just made someone my ass. Craziness. Walk off pier and my man. Holy shit, dude. I need video. Like I can see it in my head, but the chat needs to see this now. Is movement type invisible? Is that in Pokemon World? I just didn't know it. Is that, or did you make that? It's an Emerald? Oh, well, fuck me. Had no idea. Here I am just doing shit the hard way. Good to know. I wish I knew. Yeah, well, I mean, today I learned, right? So now I'm today 8 years old. Good to know. Thank you. Okay, so this is no copy. Dynamic palette and G trainer sprites. Trainer sprite ID. Palette, and then I do this palette num. Interesting. Oh, I see. Okay, so now I need to D-Ross for... Ooh, you're entering Tark. Nice, nice. Very cool. Oh yeah, I should have asked if people are doing Tark. And if so, what? That's fun. Okay. I am. Cool, cool. Exciting. Anybody else? I'm unsure of my participants yet. Don't know if I should reveal what me and my partner have in mind. It'd be like the only ones in the comp proper. No, don't tell me anything. I want no spoilers. I already plotted the story in most events. I'm not going to actually script until the contest months. Makes sense. Okay. Oh, shit, it's 9:30. Okay, I'm gonna go for like 10 more minutes and I'm gonna call it. Just a heads up. Yeah. Okay, this is interesting. So the problem is I don't know the slot. Later, Musmaro. Good hanging out. Set custom player palette. So this is modifying the buffer in that one slot, but we don't know what slot it's gonna be until after it goes in. Unless I modify. Oh, no. It's modifying the palette. No, I don't need to know. Okay, never mind. Okay, so this is set custom player palette. And this is the address of dynamic palette. And then instead of this, you do this. Dynamic palette. Okay, cool. I show you to move a dumber shit, you won't even realize it was used. Okay. Looking forward to it. A 3DS Max. Yeah, I'm scared to think what you're gonna do, but you always have some wild shit, so it's gonna be good no matter what. Okay. Okay. So it needs size. Oh, I need an address. Okay, fine. Right? Okay, let's try this. I doubt this will work though. Okay. Okay. Use 16? Okay, fine. I can make it a 16. Oh, that won't work anyway. It has to be the same size. Okay. Okay. And then 881. Yeah. Oh, got messages. All right, here we go. Interesting words. Warning, braces around scalar initializer for. Okay, so it doesn't work. And the bots react. I actually don't know what the bots react to. Let's look. Who? I don't know. That's why I blocked the bot. And you updated the side quest definition so that description is an array. You didn't. Okay. That'll do it. All right, cool. Good talk. Oh, God. Oh, it needs to be constant? Jesus Christ, this gets more and more complicated with every second. Okay. Okay. All right, this is not working out. We have fucked all the way up. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna build this. Mudskip, what's crack-lacking? What should be in it? I know you said... Yeah, you need to figure out... Yeah, basically, like, you need to somewhere figure... Like, you need to arbitrarily set a number that is the max number of quest states, and we'll have to make it clear in the documentation that users can update it. And hello, Mudskip. How are you, Mudskip? Long time no talk. 863. Okay. I am merging upcoming in the weekend. The same as Ruby. My phone is overheating. Oh shit, does that mean you gotta go? Unbound Main's quest line is just do like 30, you know? No, okay, good. Just don't like break your phone. I know it's hot out there today. I am only gonna be here for like, actually that was 10 minutes ago. It's like 5 minutes. Like 45 is when I'm trying to dip. Yeah, Mudskip, unfortunately I'm leaving soonish. Sag. This is not Unbound Music. This is it's actually not used in Super Music in Mystery Dungeon at all, but it is like a remix of the opening theme when you're like choosing your character and shit. Yes, Mudskip. This is a very old outfit system. But not yours. I wonder if you actually ever solve this problem. Do you see that flash of color, Mudskip? That's what I'm trying to figure out now. But it only happens when I load a sprite into palette number 0, and I don't know why. So that's what I'm working on. Yeah, it's very verbose, and it's got a... Like yours, I think, just does outfits, whereas mine just does color. Mine does colors. And then when I have more trainers, this will also be the 9 different outfits. Oops. Gotta fix that too. Yeah, I think 50 is more than okay. Okay, so this is not working. In my UI, I make the palette slot swaps every time the chosen outfit changes. Yeah, that's what I'm doing too. Or every time I make the sprite, right after the sprite is made. Actually, yeah, let me just look at yours. Maybe, so outfit 1 uses, oh, I see. You have, how are you hard setting the palette slots? Like, did you hijack create front sprite? Yeah, how are you forcing it to use a specific palette slot? Because I would love all my sprite. I mean, I can just pull it up. Outfit system. Let's see. Files changed. And you are... Where is the file? Source is... Oh, it wasn't loading, that's why. Outfit tables. Outfit video, let's see. Okay, so now create. That's the overworld. Create trainer pick sprite. Okay. Create trainer pick sprite. Okay. Here we go. Create trainer pick sprite. Load compressed palette. Okay, so you're loading a palette, just the data of it. Oh, Object palette ID. Huh? I'm confused. You're loading a palette into this random ID backslot. Oh, wait, hold on. Pal backslot. What is this? Am I misunderstanding this function? Oh, you're using a different function than me. Is this did you make this? Is this a custom function? Create trainer pick spray, or is this an emerald? And I'm just using a different one. Oh, yours is better. Oh, you can. Oh, okay. No, yours is better and just solves my fucking problem. Yeah, okay. No. Yours is just straight up better than mine. No, if I use yours, the problem literally just goes away because I can just always tell it, just use the same palette. Yeah. And my palette will never change. Okay, cool. Hell, or I think. I'm almost done, I think. Okay, wait, let me see. You said something. Whack, now it's saying an unknown field. Did you already fix that? Just want to be careful with the other sprites palette. All of the sprite. Okay, so let's get like all of my sprites, like everything for the player is using the same palette. And so in a perfect world, I only load one palette and just tell all my sprites look at that slot. And even when I switch body types, the palette, I mean, you can't tell because there's only one body type, but they're all the same, I promise. For D and S, I legitimately don't know the answer, but the fuckery I'm doing right now is just for this menu. Like, I already solved this in the overworld. Like, in the overworld, I do not have this problem. Like, if I just go inside, like, things are fine. So it's just this one stupid menu. My game is gonna use Heart Gold Soul Silver proportions. I just haven't updated everybody else to match, so she looks weird. But yeah, she does look comically large next to like literally everybody else. Her head is like 4 times the size. I didn't say I didn't love RC. I just like Heart Gold Soul. I like Gen 4 more. That's all. My favorite color is he. No, I just let you set your pronouns. And the characters will like update that. And Riolu also got custom like Neo pronouns working. So like I can do like shit with X's. And then anywhere in the game that calls the subject pronoun will use the Neo pronoun instead. Yeah, Riolu's great. So yeah, I can see why you would think this is a color. He from all the way up there. Yeah, I understand why that would be confusing. Okay. Now I'm going to use your fancy one. Create trainer pick sprite. Okay, so. Okay, actually, I'm going to go to bed, but I'm going to leave a note to myself to use create trainer pick sprite. Cool. This is my last error. Return from incompatible pointer type. Note to self, use Mudskip's palette fuckery. Indeed. Thank you for your help, Mudskip. I didn't even know there were 2 separate functions there. That's awesome. Time for the off-stream sleeping stream. Yes. Yeah, Ruby, can you post the line? I'll look at it real quick before I go. And then I'll get out of here. And what line is it complaining about? The top one or the bottom one? the default. Okay. Oh, because it needs a 0 now. It's got to be desk. Wait, what are you doing? I was like, wasn't this whole journey to not do this? Got it. Okay. Yeah, the default is not gonna work like that. I think you need to put a 0. So like, oh fuck, I closed that by accident. Okay, I think you literally just need to do this now. No, like this. Like literally just do that. And I think it'll compile after you do that. But no, don't get rid of the function because you need to check if it's null. Yeah, the function should just be if the thingy is null, return the default case. Like it shouldn't be a switch statement, it should just be an if. An if else. Like if it's not null, return that value. If it is null, return the 0 position. Or you could do this. Hold on, let me get quest description. All right, where are you? Okay. Ignore that mine is a switch statement too. Just don't look at this. I would do like if side quests quest ID description var is null, then I would return that. And then otherwise, you return this. Oh my god. Does that make sense? And then like var is target quest ID var, right? And you could even go one step further where if this is null, then var is 0. Yeah, actually, you could even do this. This is even less code. Problem solved. You get the var. If that thing you want is null, then make var 0 and then return the 0 with, which is always going to be the first thing, like the actual quest. Does that make sense, Ruby? Okay. Oh my god, I'm not scrolling my chat down. Shit, stupid ass. I'm like, why is no one talking? Jesus Christ. Yep, thank you. Cool. Okay, cool. God, I'm so bad at everything. It's so crazy. All right, cool. All right. Good stream. Made progress. Learned some shit. Thanks everybody for hanging out. I want to say I'll stream tomorrow, but I'm not gonna make any promises because like I have stuff to do in the morning and my evening is pretty free, but I just don't know. So we'll see. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Peace.